Okay. Yeah, there's a dog park here. Straight into the climb. That did well. I probably didn't have to. Ooh. There's a crazy storm rolling in. There's tornado warnings. So this should be, so I might get cut short. I feel like it sits pretty high as far as the bar height goes. Now, I notice there are some spacers underneath the stem. I would definitely swap those out and get the stem lower because it feels like it's riding pretty high. But we'll see in an actual trail condition or a trail situation. This hub sounds pretty funky. It's probably seen some hard use. Being a poor little demo bike. Really responsive. Oh, I think I want to go this way. What do we got here? A little drop. Oh, we better try it out. Get a little run in. See if I won't hit my butt on the back tire or not. Oh, over here. Oh yeah. That felt pretty natural. No problem. I mean, it's not a big one, but it's enough to kind of see the difference between this bike and my other one. Yeah, I felt totally confident. All right. Yeah, just kind of cranking side to side up a hill or something. It seems really nice and responsive and light feeling, which is good. It might sound silly, but one thing I always like about RockShox over Fox, and this is, again, kind of silly, but Fox always makes that kind of, that squishy noise of the dampers whenever you're hitting anything, basically. Whereas RockShox is generally quiet, which I appreciate. I'm all about the quieter bike, the better. It's just kind of flat, traverse. Oh yeah, these are really wide bars. Whoa. That's too bad. Oh yeah. Oh, come on, XT. Nice. That was good. Yeah, that hub does not sound healthy. Yeah, that's cool. Wonder what the rebound's set at though. Doesn't seem too bad. Huh. Seemed like it was kind of bogging down in the roots a little bit, but that's just probably suspension setup. So this thing's got alloy wheels, DT Swiss, and Maxxis high roller 2s, 2.3 on it. I usually ride DHF front, aggressor rear, but these have been good so far. My very limited time on them. I've never fitted one of my own bikes with the high roller before. Whew. So the guys at Pivot said that they leave their shock in the open position pretty much all the time and let the DW link do its thing. So that's what I'm doing. I don't feel any bob or anything like that. When I look down at the linkage, it's moving, but not very much. Still getting good traction, or decent anyways. It's just raining here, so everything's still a little bit slick. Whoa. Ooh, took the inside, which is the wrong side. See, I don't know if it's down to the thinner tires than what I'm used to, or this doesn't have quite the slack head angle that my Rain does, but again, I'm finding it handles, like, as far as control of the front wheel, it just seems more responsive. And I found that on the Norco range too. Specialized Enduro, like the new one, 2017, that felt pretty similar to my Rain as far as steering response. And so I think I gravitated to that, you know, more quickly. Whereas these, I think it'd take some getting used to, just like how it took me getting used to my Rain. So I think probably just one more ride on this and it would be feeling right at home as far as that goes. But it's always a nice surprise to get on a relatively long travel 29er and not have it flopping side to side or feeling really, you know, kind of slow. Quite the opposite, so it's nice. These storm clouds are coming in, guys. Big time. I've actually like popped out of the park for a minute to do a little shortcut. There's like tons of rain and lightning coming, but I really want to do this one descent before I get taken away by the tornadoes. So just gonna see what I can do here. Probably this way. Oh boy. I think we made it before the rain. Because when the rains hit, gimbal time is over. All right, made it. Now let's see how fast this thing can get me back to my car, because that lightning is so close and the rain is coming. Here we go. Whew. Oh, big puddles. Oh man, that's awesome. definitely feels like a lot more than 135 mils of travel. Whoa. But I don't think these high rollers handle the roots as good as my DHF. I'll tell you that much. Every single one I hit shoots me sideways. Yeah, we should keep going. All right, more roots. Whoa. Yeah, these tires, it's kind of the opposite of the giveth and taketh away, and then catches you at the last moment. It's like you're gonna die. No, you're okay. Oh, it's muddy. Oh, just skating. Yeah. Woo. That was good. Despite the tires being super slick on the roots, this thing, the Switchblade, was really kind of confidence inspiring. And it felt like it had more travel than it did. But it felt, like, how would I describe it? Like firmer. It's kind of more support, I guess. All right, crotch cam. Now you can see the suspension moving while I'm pedaling. It's in open mode right now. And look how much it's not moving. When I stand up and pedal, obviously it's a bit more, but really not much. Whew. I feel like I should call it a day. Wow. All right. Let's do this. Beauty shot setup. Uh-huh. Yeah. Come on, I'm gonna die here. I'm gonna quickly go over this Pivot Switchblade. This is a 29er. You could put the 27.5 plus on it too. I just took it out on kind of, I would say, all mountainy kind of trails, like lots of hard climbing, but some fun descents as well. It's pretty slick out there. It just rained like yesterday, and it's starting to rain right now. There's a tornado warning, so I think I mentioned that earlier. Yeah, it's a lot of bike. I thought it was super confidence inspiring. I'm really liking the 29-inch wheels on these bikes. These guys have this stuff super dialed. The top tube is where it should be as far as reach goes for a guy like me. I was riding a size large and it felt perfect. Pivots beforehand, like the Mach 6s, they're typically really short top tubes, and it never really fit me, but this is awesome. I really love the feel of this one. It's got Fox 36 factory Kashima on the front. Obviously an amazing setup. Oh gosh. Honestly, everything worked really solid on it. It has XTR in the back, which shifted, I thought, better than the XT. It's got Fox transfer post, which I like. I don't like the shifter or the button as much, but the post is great. Generally, it rode really well. And you guys already saw some of my comments from before, so I'm gonna get out of here. See you later. Whew. Oh crap. Let's go. Just made it. Yeah.